the recording? Oh yeah. Okay. So, me and my friend Kaylee, say hi Kaylee.
Oh hi.
We're in the garage. And I really want to go skateboarding, but it's raining. How nice is Mother Nature? I just tried to vlog. I don't know. I'm tired. Kaylee, come here. Aw. Love you.
I love her.
Anyway.
Oh, okay. You can just stop hugging me randomly.
Yes. You want to say hi to the people, Kaylee?
Hey, people. I look gross.
She's not nice to herself. Yeah. Stupid.
Look at the baby birds!
Where? Oh my god. They probably can't see it though.
Aw. Let's go. Come on.
No, I don't want to go in the rain.
I will. I want to show the people the baby birds.
Okay, don't get wet.
I'm not. No, there they go. They're flying away. I don't know if you could see them. Okay. Yeah.
You got it all wet.
Oh, shut up.
Taking this down. Now my hair looks all gross. Okay. I really want to go skateboarding. Okay. I don't want to fall. La la la. Okay. Kaylee. Ooh, do you think I should ride this?
Sure.
Come here. That's my motorcycle. It's being worked on. Okay. This is my wonderful scooter majig. I don't know. Oh crap. How am I supposed to do this? How am I gonna do this?
Do what?
Hold it.
Okay. You couldn't say please?
No. I'm gonna go. Ah! You dare me ride in the rain?
Sure.
I'll do it.
Alright.
I hate the rain. I can't get my hood on. Okay. I'm gonna do this.
So, I don't know if it's facing you. I'm hoping it is.
Yeah. Right.
I'm not. I would think so. I mean, it's like raining.
Really cold. I'm gonna run you over.
Don't run me over.
It's not even, it's like facing the down. Going inside.
It's not like I can see it. Goodness.
Oh, stop. Thank you. I'm done now. Okay, shut it off. Bye, you two.